Azure Access Packages Explained, a new approach to management.
Let's get an overview of Access Package. Access packages are organized within catalogs. If no specific catalog is chosen, the package is placed in the general catalog. Existing access packages cannot be moved between catalogs. They allow roles to be assigned across multiple catalog resources. Administrators and catalog owners can add or update resources in a catalog, with changes automatically applied to assigned users. Access package managers can only use existing catalog resources and must request help from catalog owners for new additions. Each package requires at least one policy to govern access requests, approval workflows, lifecycle settings, and assignment methods. Initial policies can be created for directory users, external users, or administrative assignments. Access packages, streamlining role assignments and access control.
Let's create an access package for our organization.
Sign into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center using an account with Identity Governance Administrator permissions. Once you're logged in, navigate to Identity Governance by selecting Identity Governance from the menu, then choose Entitlement Management, and finally, click on Access Package. Click on New Access Package to start the creation process. It's the first step to setting up your customized access package.
Configuring the basics for an access package begins with the Basics tab. First, provide the essential information for the access package. Start by entering a clear and descriptive display name that identifies the access package. Then, add a description that explains its purpose. Remember, this description will be visible to users when they request access. Let's select the resource roles for your access package. Start on the Resource Roles tab, where you can specify the resources and their roles. Users granted access to the package will automatically receive these roles, such as group memberships. If you're unsure which resource roles to include, you can skip this step and add them later after creating the access package. Next, choose the type of resource you want to include, such as groups, teams, applications, or SharePoint sites. In the Select Applications panel, choose one or more resources from the list. Once you've made your selections, click Next to move to the next step. Now create an initial policy for an access package.
Now, let's create the initial policy for your access package. Start with the Requests tab, where you can configure the first policy, specifying who can request access and defining approval settings. You have a few options for the initial policy. Allow internal users to request access. Allow external users to request access. Choose Admin Direct Assignments only if you're unsure about request settings or plan to automate access later. You can always add more policies later to customize approval settings or enable automatic access assignment. Once your initial policy is configured, click Next to finalize the creation process. Now, let's specifying lifecycle for access package. Let's configure the expiration settings for your access package assignments. On the Lifecycle tab, define when the assignment expires, choose a specific expiration date. Set a duration in days, 0 to 3,660. Specify an expiration in hours after approval. Or select Never for no expiration. If you want users to request specific start and end dates for their access, toggle the Users can request specific timeline option to Yes. For more advanced expiration settings, select Show Advanced Expiration Settings. You can allow users to extend their access and send reminders 14 days and 1 day before expiration. Extension requests must be made before the expiration date, and users won't be able to request access beyond the new extension date. If you'd like to require approval for extension requests, set Require Approval to grant extension to Yes. This will follow the approval settings from the Requests tab. Once you're done, click Next or Update to proceed. Now, let's review and create your access package. On the Review plus Create tab, carefully review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Check for any validation errors or issues that need attention. Once you're satisfied, click Create to finalize the access package and its initial policy. By default, the package is visible to everyone within the policy scope. If you prefer it to be visible only to users with a direct link, set Hidden to Yes. You can then share the direct link with the specific users who need access. After creation, you can add more policies, set up separation of duties, or directly assign access to users.
Thank you for following along. You've successfully learned how to create and configure an Access package in Microsoft Intra. Remember, you can always make adjustments, add policies, or customize settings later to fit your needs. For more updates, tips, and guides, visit our website at cloudknowledge.in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy managing.